Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this quick video, we're going to take a look at Module 1, Lesson 6, which is all about loops. So for loops, while loops, and do while loops, which are pretty much the loops you're going to find in any language out there. So let's take a deeper look at the code. This particular program is really just full of some toy examples. You'll see the code is all pretty basic, more or less. Again, we don't have a practical objective of this program other than to learn loops. So that's just what you'll find. If we run this program, just to kind of give you an idea of what it looks like, let's say we enter a positive integer of 4. It's going to use for loops to iterate through from 0 to 4, but it's just kind of has a different outcome depending on the particular for loop. We're going to emphasize here the stopping conditions as well as iteration and how that works. Then we're going to go down to the bottom, and it's actually going to use while loops and do while loops. It's going to sum a few numbers, and this time, instead of knowing exactly how many times we want to loop, we just loop until some event occurs, in this case a -1. So please enter numbers, so 1, 2, 3, -1. It sums them up to 6. So we do it again, 4, 5, 6, -1, 7, 8, 9, -1. Okay, so again, down at the bottom, we're really just walking through some while and do while loops with different ways of stopping the loop and kind of showing you some of the trade-offs there. So again, hope to see you guys over at hellodrdan.com, where you can find the full-length video tutorial, basically writing this code from scratch and explaining how these loops work in detail. Thanks, guys.